Right, good afternoon. Right, well, this is my first outing since getting back from Canada 3 weeks from Iceland 3 weeks ago. But as you can see, having mentioned Canada, I've got a Canadian hat on. Now that's from my roommate Dennis that I shared a room with on a couple of nights in Iceland, who's from Thunder Bay in Canada. So a shout out to him and thanks for the baseball cap. How much I'll wear it I don't know, because I'm not really a baseball cap sort of person, but anyway, we're wearing it today in honour of Dennis giving me the cap, so thank you very much, Dennis. Right, well, we've come to Haweswater, which is an area I'm not particularly familiar with. Thought we'd come somewhere different, and I'm walking up the path to a small town called Small Water. Not quite sure what we're going to find, whether we'll get some good shots or not, we don't know. The weather's warm. We're at the beginning of this heat wave in the UK, but there's one or two clouds in the sky, and we're in late afternoon now. We're getting on for 6 p.m, so I've only got probably 2 or 3 hours before the sun is going down. So, but yeah, it's we'll see how we get on. So we'll see you shortly. Right, well, there was one thing I wanted to mention as we go on. I don't know whether you've heard of Kelby One and Scott Kelby, but pre-pandemic, normally in October, he hosted or did the worldwide photo walk, where various people do walks in their local localities. People come along and do it for free. Do it for free. Although he does ask donations to a charitable cause in Africa. So this year, it's happening on the 12th of August, which is actually 4 weeks ago yesterday, in terms of me recording this, but it'll be 3 weeks as yesterday from when this goes live. And I've decided to try and host a walk in Keswick. So if anybody's interested in coming and join me, if you're in the local area or you want to come to the Lake District because you're not too far away, I'll put the information in the description below, but I'll also put a link up here, so to the page. So if anybody's interested, as I say, it's free, although you are asked to make a donation to towards the orphanage in Africa. So yeah, it'd be much appreciated if anybody was to come along. It'd be nice to meet up with some people who have seen the videos and that. So anyway, we'll carry on our way up to Small Water, and we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, we've come off the path a little bit. I saw these cascades, and whether you'd call that a cascade or a waterfall, I'm not quite sure, but I thought it's maybe worth coming over and have a look. So I'm going to have a mooch around, see what I can see what compositions I come up with, and anyway, we'll see you a little later once I've done that. Right, well, we've come up with this shot. A vertical shot, and as you can see from the back of the camera, f11 20th of a second at 100 ISO. Right, we'll take that and then we'll maybe try some shots with different filters, and whichever's best we'll put up on the video after this. So it's quite a pleasant cascade, but we'll see what it looks like, and we'll see you a little bit later. Alright, as you'll see now, I've come a bit closer in to get a close-up of this top cascade. I've taken a slow, a normal shutter speed, and then I put this 6-stop ND filter on, and as you can see from the back of the camera, we've got a 1/6 of a second at f8, it's 800 ISO. Yeah, I mean, I'm seriously thinking of getting a 3-stop ND filter, because sometimes the 6-stop's just too much, hence having to put the ISO up to 800 so I don't get too long a shutter speed. But anyway, we'll see. I think it looks quite good on the back of the camera, the longer shutter speed, so we'll probably put it up on the video after this, and then we'll carry on up to small water, and we'll see you a bit later. Right, we've found another little waterfall as we've come up. I think we're going to try and take a quick shot of this. Time's marching on, but we'll take a quick shot and then we'll head up to small water. So I'd have liked to have got the drone up, but I don't know whether you can hear it. It keeps gusting quite hard, so it's just not the right weather. But anyway, we'll try and get a shot of this, and if it's any good, we'll put it up on the video. See you a bit shortly. Right, as you can see, we've got to small water on this nice little tarn, but the wind is really wicked at the moment. It's coming in gusts. In the last one, yeah, I mean, maybe wasn't quite ready for it, but I had to step back. It was pushing me back. So I was hoping there might be a shot of the tarn to be able to see. Right, you can hear the wind there, can't you? Whoa, that is serious wind. Right, hopefully it'll die down in a second. Yeah, I was hoping to be able to maybe find a shot where we could get the tarn and Haweswater in the distance, but as you can see, the sort of rocky the rocks there that are keeping the water in, it's just too high. So we'll try and come up with some sort of shot. Don't know if we're doing much more videoing with it, see what the wind does, but we'll try and get a nice shot of the tarn. So anyway, if it's any good, we'll put it on the video after this. Right, as you can hear, it's still quite windy, but we'll stop just a little beyond the tarn, where there's by the river. You can see the river there going down, and then the reservoir in the distance. I thought that might make quite a good shot. So yeah, the wind keeps dying down odd bits to take the shot, but it is it's quite brutal at times. So anyway, we'll see how it comes out, and if it's any good, we'll put it up on the shot and up on the video. And now we're going to head back down to the van. The light's starting to fade a little bit. It's still probably another hour before sunset, but the sun has gone behind the mountains here, so yeah, we'll see. Anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, I made it back to the van. A reasonable walk. Could have been better if the light had been slightly better, and certainly if there hadn't been so much wind. Then I could have got the drone up and got some footage of the reservoir. It's not too bad down here. We're next to the van at the moment, but you can hear it in the trees. You can see it blowing over there, and the reservoir is quite choppy. So. And if you followed it to the end, I just thank you very much for watching the video. Please comment if there's anything you'd like to comment about, or future places you'd like me to go in the Lake District to show you. And just to remind, the information's down below about the worldwide photo walk on the 13th of August, Saturday the 13th of August. But there's a link down below. So anyway, I'll bid you goodbye and thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next video.